Okay, we are getting closer. Got most of the wiring harness sort of put where I want it to be. This is an old wiring harness, so I got to be gentle with it, but also I'm going to relume a lot of the stuff, clean it up correctly. Got everything put back into underneath the dash so we can hook up the PCM, and then all this other wiring harness goes to the starter, ABS sensor, and then you have all this other spaghetti mess over here for the battery and stuff like that. And then we got to get the brake system back online. Took the master out with the ABS unit as a one unit, which is easier to, when you're taking the motor out, you just do that and break away the lines, and then you can drop the whole subject. That's for the LT1 cars. LS cars are so much easier. They have braided lines. They don't have all this junk here going on. But yeah, thought I would update you, and we'll give you an update soon. And yeah, it is what it is. Doing my best. All right, take care.